Hello everyone, Andreas here. This is part 13 of my robot arm project. It's a quick overview what I've done the last few months. It's not so much, I had a lot of other projects, but I'm gonna show you. First of all, I put the robot electronics and the power supply in a heavy basement. It's simply two wooden plates and everything screwed together, so we have one USB cable there and a power supply. That's basically all. Then still the gamepad. The gamepad controller is still working, and the only way to control the robot right now. I added a quick mount for the grippers. It's basically my tripod. So basically this mount. Then I have this 3D printed part. Which fits inside, and so, and we have the same mount here. So and on the gripper and, for example, on the other one, yeah, this is the box. And if you, there's the first problem I encountered, and basically this complete arm structure is a little wobbly. That's from the motor, so it's correcting it, that's okay. But this one is basically from this belt hook I can't tighten up enough, and then the bearings here are also not perfect. So I'm thinking about redesigning this arm to something like this, with this two levers here. And another problem I've encountered is this rotational point is slightly off axis of the robot axis, of the center of the main arm, so it's a little bit harder to calculate the inverse kinematics, so the next arm will be symmetric again. It will be like this. So I'm gonna show you this in the CAD. So yeah, that's a CAD drawing for the new forearm. I want to use the two lever principle I used on the other two joints. I think that's the best solution. One additional benefit of it is I'm only using one type of these small bolts anymore. So you just have to buy 4. So it makes it cheaper, because you get them cheaper if you buy more of the same type, and you don't need to buy 2 separate parts. It's also the stepper motor here, and the 2-sided transmission and the encoder. I have 2 bearings inside here and here. Okay. This joint is still not finished. I'm thinking about basically using a lot of small gears and building some basically a stepper motor hobby servo, but this is still does not fit into the space I have left, so there will be some work to do. But overall I think this will be a stable, quite good working version of the robot. Another problem is this lazy Susan bearing I used for the rotational base. It has a lot of play, so I have to replace it, but I still don't have a clue how. This is an issue I will address later. So that's all for now. I'm still working on the project and hope I can post updates more frequently. Thanks for watching and see you next time.